welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you a full step-by-step tutorial on LuxaraPay, the crypto payment platform that lets you spend your crypto anywhere, online, in-store, and even through Apple Pay or Google Pay. Plus, I'll show you how to install LuxaraPay as an app on your phone, how to get a card, deposit crypto, use the wallet, and claim the $15 card promo and 24-hour airdrop. This will be a complete guide, so make sure to watch until the end. But before we head into that, let me share a quick reminder. This is not a financial video and I am not a professional advisor. Please do your own research before making any decisions. LuxaraPay is a crypto-to-card platform where you can spend your crypto just like cash. No limits, no complications. LuxaraPay currently offers several card options depending on your needs. For virtual cards, there is Visa Virtual Card. It is instantly issued, ideal for online payments, subscription, e-commerce purchases. MasterCard Virtual Card, same convenience, works wherever MasterCard is accepted online or for digital payments. For physical cards, there is Visa Physical Card, a real plastic Visa branded card you can use in stores, ATMs, or swipe tap payments. And then there's MasterCard Physical Card. It is a MasterCard version and it works globally, accepted almost everywhere MasterCard is supported. When you issue a card, you'll get card number, expiry date, CVV, recharge payment via your crypto wallet balance, option to view card details, spending history. Use card in everyday life, online shopping, in-store purchases, travel, bookings without needing to manually convert crypto every time. Now let's create your account. First, open the LuxaraPay app or website. Then tap sign up. Enter your email and mobile number. Create your password. Then enter the verification code sent to your email. Done. Super fast. Now here's the best part. LuxaraPay's KYC is one of the easiest in the industry. Just phone plus email and you're good to go. Most users are approved in just less than a minute. To start using your card, you need to load your wallet. First, go to Wallet. Choose the crypto you want to deposit, USDT, USDC, BTC, ETH, etc. Then tap Deposit. Copy the wallet address, send your crypto from your exchange or other wallet. Deposits are credited quickly depending on network confirmation. Once your balance is in, you're ready to issue a card and start spending. As we have said, LuxaraPay offers Visa and MasterCards, both virtual and physical. To issue your card, first go to Cards, then select Card Model. Enter the promo code for discount. Pay the card issuance fee using your wallet balance. Use the promo code CryptoAddity. Use this and pay only $15 for your card instead of $40. It's exclusively for the communities, so don't miss it. Once issued, your card becomes available instantly. Inside the LuxaraPay wallet, you can check balance, deposit crypto, track card spending, move funds between wallets, view transaction histories, freeze and unfreeze card, and request support. Everything is designed to be simple and newbie friendly. Let's head on to its promo and airdrop alert. Promo code CryptoAddity. Activate it to get your card for only $15 instead of $40, just like what we did earlier. For the 24-hour airdrop alert, prize pool $100, 7 winners get $15 each for spending. To join, issue your first card, then follow LuxaraPay on social media. LuxaraPay has one of the highest paying referral programs. You can earn up to 40% from your invited users. Meaning when your friend issues a card, deposits, or use the service, you get paid. Explain to your friends that registration is simple, KYC is fast, card is only $15 with your promo. They can spend crypto anywhere and they can also invite others. New users love this because it's instant and profitable. Let me teach you how to download it on your gadgets. If you're on an iPhone, here's how to install LuxaraPay as an app on your home screen. First, open Safari and go to app.luxarapay.com. Then tap the share button, the square with the arrow pointing up. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Type the name you want for the app icon, tap Add. And that's it. LuxaraPay will not sit on your home screen just like a normal app. Now, I don't have an Android phone with me here, but it's easy as well. Just open a Chrome and then type app.luxarapay.com, tap the three dots in the upper right corner, choose install app or add to home screen, then confirm. Now you'll see the LuxaraPay icon on your phone or in your app drawer. Make sure to follow LuxaraPay for updates. Head on to their X account and official website, LuxaraPay.com. They post updates about new cards, cashback, feature launches, global promos, and limited time airdrops. And that's the complete guide on how to use LuxaraPay, from account creation to crypto deposits, card activation, and joining the referral system. Don't forget to use the promo code CryptoAddity to get your card for just $15 and join the ongoing $100 airdrop. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.